Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on the S2000. For those of you that are experiencing passenger side window and the top not going down, it's because of a control module that needs to be replaced. It's probably failed. Now in my case, the control module fails when it's really hot. So it's normal when it's normal temperature, but dies out, and the passenger side and the soft top does not work. So we're gonna spend today replacing the control module. So it's been mid 90s and above the past several days, so that's why it isn't working for us. We're gonna move this car in the open engine bay, that way we're out of the heat, and get this thing done. Should be a fairly quick video today, so I'm hoping just help you guys out and get yours fixed as well. So you got 6 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one kind of broke off, so but this is what you have to remove the panel to get to that module. And just for reference, this is what the control module looks like. You have 2 connectors that you will need to pull out. And as far as the mounting, you have, I believe, a 10 mil. So you unbolt that, pull out the connector, and you should be good to go. And that is the part number, if you guys want to use that as reference for the control module that you need to replace. Okay, we got that in. We just gotta tighten it now. Okay, it's in. You want to put the connector back, the negative battery back, and then test it. Test the top. Is it slow? Or is it normal? It's slow.